Buying a mobile home can be an exciting journey, especially for first-time homebuyers. First, determine your budget. Consider not just the purchase price, but also ongoing costs like insurance and utilities. Next, research different types of mobile homes, single-wide, double-wide, or even modular homes. Each has its pros and cons. Once you've narrowed down your options, find a reputable dealer or seller. Don't hesitate to ask questions about the home's history and condition. It's crucial to get a thorough inspection to avoid unexpected repairs later. After that, secure financing. Many lenders offer loans specifically for mobile homes, so shop around for the best rates. Finally, once you've made your choice, review the paperwork carefully before signing. Make sure you understand all terms and conditions. With careful planning and research, you'll be well on your way to owning your very own mobile home.